Ndị Igbo kwenu, Ndị Igbo kwenu, Ndị Igbo kwezonu. Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, Krista Ndị Igbo channel. How you doing? Day one, you are welcome to my channel. And today we are going to be talking about animal in Igbo language. As an Igbo man or as an Igbo woman, as an Igbo kid, I hope you know how to say the names in Igbo language very well. If not, this is very important for you. First, you have to please, I also appreciate those that have subscribed to my channel. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you have not, please do well to subscribe. Meanwhile, let's dig down to what we are here for. In today's learning, we are going to be learning how to pronounce Igbo animal, the names they call them in Igbo language. So let's go. So now in Igbo we have Agwo, that is frog. We have Inyinya, that is donkey. We have Agwo, that is snake. We have Inyinya mmiri, that is hippopotamus. We have Odum, that is lion. We have Agwo, that is leopard. We have Enyi, that is elephant. Nnunu, that is bird. Enyi, that is cow. Nkita, that is dog. Obogwu, that is dog. So this is all for our class. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much.